Welcome to Mega Kit. Today we are going to see MK-001 digital preferred batch counter. Digital preferred batch counter counts the objects or revolutions or operations using microfiche, limit fiche, read fiche and magnet, proximity fiche as a input signal. The counter can be prefed by 4 BFD thumb wheels. The indicator shows the fetch value and counts down from fetch value to 0000. As soon as it reaches 0000, the relay will be off and stops further counting. Now let us see how it works. First, we will give 12 volt DC supply to the circuit. The circuit is on. We have to first set the value on the thumb wheel. As I am showing, now we have set 8 number. Here is proximity switch used as an input signal. Let us see how it works. The counter starts counting down. As soon as it reaches 0, relay will be off and further counting has been stopped. Now you can once again set the value and restart the counting. Once again you can see as soon as it reaches 0, relay will be off. Now let us see the circuit diagram. The counter element consists of synchronous BFD up-down counter with asynchronous preset IC CD 4510 BFD to 7 segment decoder with latch and display driver IC CD 4543 and common anode display LT 542. IC5, IC6, IC7, IC8 are counter IC CD 4510. Pin 15 is clock input. Pin 10 is a signal for up-down counting and connected to ground for down counting. Reset pin 3 is also connected to ground. Pin 6, pin 11, pin 14 and pin 2 are output Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 fed to respective inputs A, B, C, D of decoder IC CD 4543. The presetting is carried out via inputs P1, P2, P3, P4, that is pin 4, 12, 13 and 3. The setting is evaluated when input PE is high. Input PE is pin 1. Pin 5 is CI carry in and pin 7 is CO carry out. They make the connection between previous and following counter elements. The counter element can thus be connected in cascade by connecting Phi of previous element to Phi of the next. Phi1, Phi2, Phi3, Phi4 are FIDI 4543 BFIDI to 7 segment decoder with latch and display driver. Pin 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15 and 14 are 7 outputs of the display segments A, B, C, D, E, F and G. BFIDI information received from FIDI 4510 is connected to pin 5, 3, 2 and 4 as A, B, C, D inputs. Pin 1 is LD is normally at logic high. When goes to low, the information at the BFIDI inputs is stored in the IC and subsequently fed to display. Pin 7 BI is normally low. Pin 6 PH is connected to logic 1 when common anode display is used and logic 0 if common cathode display is used. Display 1, display 2, display 3, display 4 are LT 542 common anode 1/2 inch display. The control unit is designed as follows. IC9 FIDI 4093 quad 2 input NAND gate is used. The CO carry out signal from IC8 is used to drive the relay via gate N1, N2 and driving transistor T1, T2, BC547 NPN arranged in emitter follower mode. At the same time, the CO signal is used to get the input signal at N3. As soon as CO signal goes to logic 0, input signal is prevented from reaching the clock input pin 15 of IC 5, 6, 7, 8, N5, N6, N7, N8 from on and off delay circuit for incoming signal to avoid false triggering due to spikes and noise. Now let us see the part list. Now let us see the parts required for this project. PCB track side MK-001 quantity 1 number. PCB MK-001 component side IC1, IC2, IC3, IC4 FIDI 4543 BFIDI to 7 segment decoder quantity 4 number. IC5, IC6, IC7, IC8 FIDI 4510 counter quantity 4 number with socket. IC9, IC10 FIDI 4093 quad NAND gate quantity 2 number with socket. Display 1, display 2, display 3, display 4 LT 542 common anode display quantity 4 number. T1, T2 BC547 NPN transistor quantity 2 number. D1 1N4007 rectifier diode quantity 1 number. D2, D3, D4, D5 1N4148 diode quantity 4 number. LED 1, LED 2 3 mm red LED quantity 2 number. Phi1, Phi2 10 microfarad 25 volt electrolytic capacitor, quantity 2 number. R1 to R28 390 ohms 1/4 watt VFR resistor, quantity 28 number. R29 to R44 10K 1/4 watt VFR resistor, quantity 16 number. R45, R50, R51 100K 1/4 watt VFR resistor, quantity 3 number. R46, R47, R48, R49 4K7 1/4 watt VFR resistor, quantity 4 number. Reset push button, NO push button, quantity 1 number. RL1 12 volt 1 FIO PCB mounted relay, quantity 1 number. Thumb wheel 1, thumb wheel 2, thumb wheel 3, thumb wheel 4 BCD thumb wheels, quantity 4 number.
Hi, I am Hemant Parab from the Mega Kit, your single point source for all your needs of electronic project kits. For the further details, please contact Dolphin Electronics, C2 second floor, Sri Ganesh Building, Gavane Vasti, Bhosri, Pune. My email ID is dolphinproxy@gmail.com. My WhatsApp number is 92255011142. Do like, share and subscribe my channel Mega Kit. Thank you.